Hi students, so glad to be with you for this last week of our lessons. I am recording this on a Monday and my shirt says less Monday, more summer, which is perfect because we are going to get right into summer starting the end of next week. So I want to let you know that I will be at the school during your check-in for your Chromebooks and picking up things from the school and closing up the year. Please come and see me because I will have a special treat for you and I want to make sure that everybody gets what they need. Today for our final lesson, I want to just share really quickly my gratitude for you as students. Fifth graders, I am going to miss you so much. I can't believe I can't just say goodbye to you, and especially those who are in choir, who I've had the chance to get to know really, really well. But all of you are really special to me, and I hope that you know that, and I hope you know that I'm going to miss you. Fourth graders, woohoo, you will be in fifth grade, and we will get the chance to do a lot more in music. So excited for the future. Today, I'm just gonna share one of my favorite songs with you, and I hope that it brings you a lot of joy. Okay, students, I am very excited for this because I'm going to show you instruments that I have at my house that are a little different than we've used in class. This is a ukulele. Some of you might have some of these at home. This is shaped a little different than other ukuleles. It's shaped like a pineapple. Can you see that? And this is a soprano ukulele. I want you to listen to it. Now I have one that is the same type. It's a soprano ukulele, but I want to show you what it looks like. This one is super fun to watch, to look at. What does that look like? An electric guitar, right? Well, it's made of different material, so it's got a different timbre. Do you remember that word? Timbre is meaning the type of sound that's created by the instrument. And then I have one that's a little bit bigger, and it is called a concert ukulele. And it's shaped like a guitar, which most ukuleles are shaped like a guitar. They're just much smaller than a guitar. And this has a different timbre. Listen to this one. Can you hear how it kind of has a deeper sound? Darker almost. The other instruments have a brighter sound. This one has a deeper sound because it's bigger and because the material it's made out of. Now I have some ukuleles that are a little more costly, but you can buy ukuleles for pretty cheap if that's something you're interested in. We're going to learn a song today using the ukulele, and it's called Hole in the Middle of the Sea. Now some of you might know a version of this. Mine might be a little bit different. So I want you to listen to it, to the words first, and then to the song, and we will try to get as much learned as we can. I'm going to include the words to this right underneath the video, as well as some other activities. So if you forget the song, that's okay. You can come back and listen to this video and also read the words below. All right, I want you to listen to the words. It does start hole in the middle of the sea. And that is the whole first verse, okay? Second verse is there's a log in the hole in the middle of the sea. And we repeat that. Then a bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. We're going to keep adding things, okay? After the bump, there's a frog on the bump, on the log, in the hole, in the middle of the sea. Then there's a fly on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole, in the middle of the sea. Can you believe there's more? There's a wing on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole, in the middle of the sea. And then the last one, there's a flea on the wing, on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole, in the middle of the sea. Now I'm going to sing it for you. so that you can get an idea of what it sounds like. And I'm going to sing the whole thing slow. And if you want to join in, you can. If you already know the song, of course you can join in. And then we will do it together again, but try to speed it up. So, ready? There's a hole in the middle of the sea. There's a hole in the middle of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole. There's a hole in the middle of the sea. That's how the whole song, every verse we sing is going to sound like that. But we add on to the beginning. There's a log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a log in the hole, there's a log in the hole. There's a log in the hole in the middle of the sea. Now we add the bump. There's a bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a bump on the log, there's a bump on the log. There's a bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. Now there's a frog on the bump. There's a frog on the bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a frog on the bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a frog on the bump. There's a frog on the bump. There's a frog on the bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. What's after that? Do you remember? There's a fly on the frog. There's a fly on the frog on the bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a fly on the frog on the bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a fly on the frog, there's a fly on the frog, there's a fly on the frog on the bump on the log in the hole in the middle of the sea. Now there's a wing on the fly. There's a wing on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. Did you get all that? There's a wing on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a wing on the fly, there's a wing on the fly, there's a wing on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. Last one. There's a flea on the wing. There's a flea on the wing, on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a flea on the wing, on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a flea on the wing, there's a flea on the wing, there's a flea on the wing, on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. All right, should we try this a little bit faster now? If you can't stay with me, that's okay. Maybe print off the words or bring the words up on your computer so that you can hear them and you can see them at the same time. All right, here we go. There's a hole in the middle of the sea. There's a hole in the middle of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the middle of the sea. There's a log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a log in the hole, there's a log in the hole, there's a log in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a bump on the log good. Very, very good. Whew, how many of you got that? Nice job. Now, something I do, if we were in class, I would have you clap in the middle. There's a hole in the middle of the sea. There's a hole in the middle of the sea. There's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole, there's a hole in the middle of the sea. And when we get to the end, I like to do it as fast as I can. So when we start on the flea, there's a flea on the wing, on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a flea on the wing, on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. There's a flea on the wing, there's a flea on the wing, there's a flea on the wing, on the fly, on the frog, on the bump, on the log, in the hole in the middle of the sea. Can you do it that fast? So I want you to come back and keep playing with this song and keep learning it. And then there's some stuff that you can do with your friends. You can use beanbags to throw to each other and get faster and faster and faster. You can do a circle game where you hold hands and you move around in a circle, and then you clap, clap, grab hands again, and then do faster and faster and faster as you sing the song. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this game and this song, and I want you to come back and learn it again with me. Everybody, enjoy your summer. Come see me at the school and I will give you your treats. Bye, everyone.